So today I have a 2021 Chevrolet Suburban key, and I'm going to show you how to swap out the battery in this thing. So first off, grab your key fob and locate this little button on the left side of where the normal key fob buttons are. Push it down and it will release annual key. Locate this arrow on the side once you remove the manual key and slide the manual key in that spot. And what you're going to do is twist up or down to basically pop this key fob into two halves. And there you go. And gently pull it apart. And you will have the Chevrolet branded backing come off. And that will reveal the battery. So this is a CR2450 battery. So you could pop that out with the key in this location right here, or just use your finger now. For the purpose of this video, I do not need to swap out the battery because it's brand new, but I still wanted to show you how to do it. So pretend you swap in your new battery and do the reverse of what you just did. So put the Chevrolet branded backing back on. Slide the manual key in. You'll hear a manual click and you're done. So you do not need to code the key to your car. It will remember as long as you're just swapping out the battery. Hope you like this quick video. Thanks for watching.